experiment. Are we gonna do a burping contest?
Sure. You have to use your teeth. Oh, nice. You're rolling over.
Brisk lemonade mug.
I'm gonna bug you.
Horrible. Yeah.
I'm gonna do that.
I have to chug it.
Eat that. I dare you. Exactly. Win by forfeit. Suck it. Wanna do it again?
That was hilarious. My chest hurts. Jump up and down.
No.
I'm dying here.
Call your titties. As my friend Sarah would say.
Yeah, my burp hasn't done yet. Really?
Shoulder.
Random shoulder.
Right on my shoulder. Whoa! Look at that face.
Ah! I have a burp coming, but it won't come out. Oh God.
That's what she said.
Oh God. You should just chug half of it and see what
No, I drank it all. It ain't working.
No, you go like jumping down the sea. You're gonna burp all yours doing that.
That's it.
Oh, come on! Get another one.
No.
I normally can, but... Oh, come on!
Oh, that was a dry one. It wasn't wet and sloppy.
Oh my God!
Not what she said. Not what she said.
One time I was like dying of laughter in the car, like I was like laughing for like 20 minutes, and then I had a loud burp, and then I kept on laughing. Like right in the middle of laughing, I stopped, I burped, and I continued.
I'm strange.
I am strange. I can burp without even eating or drinking anything.
I can too. I'm disgusting sometimes.
That was a good one!
What the heck is like chewing on the bark?
No, they do that if they see people, or if they see another dog.
Another dog. Oh, what the hell? Are you prone to laughing? You spit on my iPod. And all over everything else.
Oh my God! You really had to do that while I was drinking.
That one was unintentional. My burps are a dangerous weapon. I can do it on command, and I can do it by accident.
Burp! Do you have another one coming yet?